I'd like to sing a song, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great rebel song of Ireland, great rebel song of the world called Kelly the Boy from Killaan.
What's the news, what's the news, oh my bold Shelmalier, with your long-barreled gun of the sea? Say what winds from the south blows your messenger here, with his hymn of the dawn for the free. Godly news do I bring, youth the fourth, godly news do I bring, bargy man. For the boys march at dawn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Killaan. Tell me who is the joy with the gold curling hair, he who strides at the head of your band. 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. Army boys, that's the pride of the bold Shelmaliers, amongst our greatest of heroes a man. So fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Killaan. Enniscorthy's in flames and old Wexford is won, and tomorrow the Barrow we cross. On a hill o'er the town we have planted a gun that will batter the gateway to Ross. All the footmen and bargemen will march o'er the heath, with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the foremost of all in that grim gap of death will be Kelly, the boy from Killaan. But the gold sun of freedom grew darkened at Ross, and it set by the Slaney's red waves. And poor Wexford, stripped naked, hung high on a cross, with her heart pierced by traitors and knaves. Glory, oh, to the brave men who died for the cause of the downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's own darling and pride, on this Kelly, the boy from Killaan.